The overall goal of this procedure is to safely induce and quantify exertional skeletal muscle damage to the quadriceps femoris muscles in human subjects using voluntary eccentric contractions.
This muscle damage protocol can help researchers answer key questions regarding the mechanisms of muscle adaptation and regeneration following injury. The main advantage of this technique is that we can study the processes of muscle adaptation in human subjects, eliminating the need for interspecies translation of the results.
While this method can be used to study muscle damage in the context of exercise, it can also be used to study damage caused by overt injury.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Jake Sorensen, a PhD student from my laboratory.
To create the isokinetic strength test protocol, begin by opening the dynamometer control software on the computer. Select New Protocol from the drop-down list. Then, on the Unilateral tab, program one set of 3 repetitions at a speed of 60 degrees per second for both the away and toward contractions by entering 1 into the number sets field, typing 3 in the end by reps row, and typing 60 in both the speed away and speed toward rows. Next, create an isometric strength test with one set of 3 isometric contractions lasting 5 seconds each at a joint angle of 70 degrees by typing a 1 into the positions field on the Unilateral tab and typing a 3 in the end by reps row under the position 1 column. Then, select 70 in the row labeled angle. Next, program the muscle damaging eccentric exercise protocol